determine k so that k square plus 4k plus 8, 2k plus 3k plus 6, 3k square plus 4k plus 4 are 3 terms in AP. We have proved that these 3 terms are in AP. We have taken if A, B, C are in AP, then definitely this is second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. B minus A is equal to C minus B. This is B minus A is equal to C minus B. This is A, this is B, and this is C. This implies 2k square plus 3k plus 6 minus k square minus 4k minus 8 is equal to 3k square plus 4k plus 4 minus 2k square minus 3k minus 6. This implies 2k square and this is k square, 3k and this is minus k, this 2 minus 2 is equal to. Next this one what? 3k minus 2k is k square, 4k minus 3k is k, 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Okay? This is what we got. This implies these two are cancelled. This implies this k this side come means it will become minus 2k is equal to this is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to 0. So you are asked to find out the value of k, determine k, and you are getting k is equal to 0. Next example number 7. Example 7. Ramu saved rupees 5 in the first week of the year and then increase her saving by rupees 1.75 each week. In how many weeks? Each week. In how many weeks will her saving be rupees 20.75 rupees? Solution. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 1.75, and A n, that is last term T n, that is L also I can write is equal to 20.75. We have T n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This implies 20.25 is equal to A is equal to how much? 5 plus n minus 1 into 1.75. This is common difference. This implies this 5 I am transferring this side means it will become how much? 15.25 is equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. This implies n minus 1 is equal to 15.25 by 1.75. This cutting how many times? Is equal to 9 times. Therefore n is equal to, this goes to the other side, will become 10. Therefore how much? Ramu's saving will be rupees 20.75 on 10th week. Is it okay? Next, example number 8. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be will be 132 more than its 54th term. Solution: A is equal to 3, D is equal to 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Now n term is equal to 32 plus 54th term. Which term of this AP will be 132 more than 54th term? So this is what we have to find out. This is equal to, this is n term is equal to how much? A plus n minus 1 into D. This is equal to 132 plus 54 term means what? 54 term means A plus 53 into D. This is the 54th term. This is equal to 132 plus A plus 53D. A is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 2L is equal to 132 plus A plus 53 into D. D value I am putting. This implies 12n minus 12 plus 3 is minus 9 is equal to, this is 132 plus A is equal to how much? 3 plus 12 3s are 36, balance 3, 12 5s are 60, 63. This implies how much it comes? This is here how much? 12n minus 9 is equal to 132 plus 3 plus 636. This is equal to 771. This implies 12n is equal to, this 9 comes to this side and become addition means it is 780. Therefore n is equal to 780 by 12. This is 65. Required term 8. Required term is 65. The 65th term is the 132 more than 54th term. Next example. Next we will see, this is what we have done for the finding the n terms. Next example, next we will see summation, sum of AP. Let the first term and common difference be A and D. Where S stands for sum. I want you to derive the formula for up to n terms, sum up to n terms. Therefore, S is equal to this first term plus second term plus third term plus, like this it goes, A plus n minus 3 into d plus a plus n minus 2 into d plus a plus n minus 1 into d. This is an AP series up to last term. So if you will add 1d here, you will get this. 1d here you add, you will get this. 1d you add here, you will get it. 1d you add here, you will get it. Okay, on adding d, you will get the next. D you add, you will get the next. D you will add like that. This you add d here, you will get the next. And it goes on like that. Reversing and writing this one. I am reversing from this side. I am writing s is equal to this one. Last first term a plus n minus 1 into d. Last second term a plus n minus 2 into d plus last third term a plus n minus 3 into d plus a plus 2d a plus d plus a. This is 1 and this is 2. I will add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. Thus you will get s plus s 2s. It is up to n terms, suppose. Is equal to this first term and this term. If you will add a plus a to a plus n minus 1 into d plus this is second term and this is second term. These two I will add a plus a to a plus d plus n minus 2d is n minus 1d plus this term, third term, and the third term from here a plus a to a plus 2d plus 3d is d n minus 1 into d plus. If you will add these two, say these two and these two is same way. This side also, if you will add these two figure, this number and this number, if you will add a plus a to a n minus 1 into d plus this and this 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So like this you will be getting. This implies to sum up to n term is equal to how many this like these terms are there? N number of terms are there. So n into twice a plus therefore sum up to n term is equal to n by 2 into twice a plus n minus 1 into d. This is your formula for finding the sum up to n terms. Formula for finding the sum up to n terms. Now from here one more formula I want to derive here. Say sum up to n term. We got sum up to n term is equal to how much you got is n by 2 into twice a plus n minus 1 into d you got. This is equal to n by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have already seen this is equal to how much? This is the last term. This is the last term and last term is indicated by L. So n by 2 into a plus L. This also will give you the summation. This is first term plus L term, last term. N by 2 into first term plus last term will give you the summation. Next example, let's see. Solve example 1. Solve 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus dot plus x is equal to 287. You have to solve for x. You have to find out the value of x. Here a is equal to how much? Solution. A is equal to how much? 1. B is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. And the last term, n term is equal to x. Sum up to n term is equal to how much? 287. Now from our formula, see, sum up to n term is equal to a plus l. This is equal to n by 2. 287 is summation. A is how much? 1. L is how much? X. This implies this 2 you multiply here, 574 is equal to x is equal to, I have to find out at first, just 1 minute. Let me take this side. Tn is equal to x is equal to a plus n minus 1 into 3. This is equal to 1 plus n, we don't know, n is n only, minus 1 into 3. This is equal to 1 plus 3n minus 3. This is equal to 3n minus 2. X is equal to 3n minus 2 I am getting. Okay, so this value I am going to put here. See, n by 2 into 1 plus x is equal to how much? 3n minus 2. This implies, sorry, this is gone already. This is multiplied here, it came here. So 574 is equal to n into 3n minus 1. This implies 574 is equal to 3n square minus n. I'll change the page. How much I am getting is 3n square minus n. 3n square minus 3n square minus n is equal to how much? 3n square minus n is equal to 574 is equal to 574. This is equal to 574. Right? 574. Now this is the quadratic equation I got. This implies 3n square minus n minus 574 is equal to 0. I got 42 into 41. 42 into 41. This implies 3n square minus 42n plus 41n is equal to 574 is equal to 0 minus. This implies 3 is taken common. 3n I can take out common. N minus 14. 41 into n minus 14. This implies n minus 14 into 3n plus 41. 3n plus 41 is equal to 0. Therefore, either n is equal to 14 or n is equal to, from here, 41 by 3 minus. So this is what I am getting. N value I got. This negative value I will not take. I will be taking the positive value only. Therefore, positive value of n is equal to how much? 14. Therefore, x is equal to, at the very beginning we got 3n minus 2. 3 into n is equal to how much? N is equal to 14. I will take this value, I will take minus 2. 14 3 is 42. 42 minus 2 is 40. This is the value of, therefore x is equal to 40. Let's see next example. Example number 5. This is textual question. Okay. This is textual question. Page 138. Page 138. 5.3 exercise question number 18. A spiral is made up of is made up of successive semicircles with center at A and B, starting with center A of radius 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, like that, as shown. What is the total length of such a spiral? What is the total length of such spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Solution. Let L1, L2, L3, L13 be the length of semicircles, that is perimeter, semicircles of radius, that is ready. R1 is equal to 0.5 centimeter, R2 is equal to 1 centimeter, R3 is equal to 1.5 centimeter, R4 is equal to 2 centimeter, and so on up to 13. We have circumference is equal to 2 pi r square unit, 2 pi r units. Therefore half of circumference is equal to pi r units. This is the length of the semicircle circumference. Now L1 is equal to pi r1 is equal to 0.5 pi. This I can write half of pi. 0.5 means half. Length 2 is equal to pi r2 is equal to 0.1 pi. One into pi is equal to 2 into half by pi. This I can write like this. This I can write pi by 2. This I can write 2 pi by 2. L3 is equal to pi r cube is equal to 1.5 into pi is equal to pi into 3 by 2 is equal to 3 into pi by 2. L4 is equal to pi r to the power 4 is equal to 2 pi is equal to 4 pi by 2. I can write like this. This way it goes. It goes this way up to L13 is equal to how much? L13 is equal to 13 pi by 2. So thus we got first semicircle length is this much, second one is this, third one is this, fourth one is this, and 13th, like that it goes up to 13th. Now total length of spiral is equal to L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus dot plus L13. Okay, this is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2 plus dot equals how much? 13 pi by 2 is coming up to here. Next, continuation. Next, say next how much it comes? This is equal to total length is equal to how much I was adding is this here. From this what I am doing is pi by 2 I am taking out common, then inside remain 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like this, it goes up to 13 closed. This is equal to pi by 2 into n by 2 into a plus L. I am going to apply this formula. This is equal to pi by 2. N is how much? N is 13. 13 by 2 into a is equal to how much? A is equal to how much? 1. L is equal to 13. This is equal to pi by 2 into 13 by 2 into 14. This I can cancel here. This is 7 times. This is equal to 13 pi by 2 or 13 sevens are how much? 13 into 7s are 91. 22 by 7 into half into 13 into 7. Okay, these two 7 cancelled. This is 11. 11 3s are 33. Balance 3. 11 1s are 11 plus 3 14. So this is the length of the spiral. Next, I am going to show you another example. Example 2. See, example 2. L is equal to if L is equal to 28, S is equal to 144, N is equal to 9, find A. We have S is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. This is our formula. S is given how much? 144 is equal to N is 9 by 2 into A is equal to A only. L is equal to how much? 28. This implies 144 is equal to into 2. This I am sending this side is equal to 9A plus 9 8s are 72, balance 7. 9 2s are 18, 25. This implies 288 minus 252 is equal to 9. This implies 8 minus 2 6, 8 minus 5 3 is equal to 9a. Therefore a is equal to 36 by 9 is equal to 4. That is a is equal to 4. Alright. One more example. Let's say one more example.